Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So this evening, me and my father and my Uncle Luke, and possibly some other people, we're going to be going out, setting some bush hooks. I won't be there the whole night. We got school tomorrow.
It'll be about 2 hours. Bye. So you get to set them out, Jubal, and we're gonna check them. Then we'll drop them off and go home with your mom. Jubal wants to speak.
You can put it about right there and see. I don't know how deep it is. It used to be real deep right here. It's about perfect. You will probably shine it right in your eyes just to help.
How do you do this again, Luke?
Yeah, just like that. Ah, you done it wrong already. Oh boy, yeah, that's, oh my goodness.
Come on, get up here and show me how. I don't do this for 3 years. I can't remember. 2 years, whatever it is.
No, don't let Ethan do it either. Oh my goodness.
That's what I did.
Now, if a ganghorn comes up and he pulls on my tag, reading it, it won't tie that knot.
Yeah. All right, give me a hook. Come on.
And a fish. That's Jubal's job. Can't be mine, because I'm too old. What? Yeah, you're at me. No, not that one.
One.
All right.
The net.
Oh, yeah. Yep. Channel. Yep.
Oh, sure.
Oh, no. He's right there. All right, fish in the boat.
Is it?
Yeah,
It is a blue cat.
Fish on. But not a big one.
that's the big dog.
Nah.